Yeah, g'day, James Gooch from Gooch Agencies reporting on our annual fortnightly store cattle sale here at Gloucester. Just on 400 cattle yarded today. Yeah, probably 200 cattle short due to the rain the last couple of days here, sort of anywhere between 30 and 50 mils in the district through to the coast sort of thing, so that did stop a few cattle. But
that's right out. 23, 25, 23, 25, 50, 70. Yes! 23, 74. Yes! 24, only got a bit too full. Yes! 24, 25, right out. Yes! 24, 50. 24, 50. Yes! 75. 90. 24, 90. 24, 90. No, they got it.
All in all, a very good run of Angus sort of steers there, those yearling steers, sort of 12 to 18 months. And look, I thought they sold fully firm on last sale. Could have been $20 dearer for the better quality ones. But the crossbred steers in the same sort of category, those sort of 12, 15 month old steers, we might have just seen slip sort of $20 to $40. Just a couple of fellas from off the top there at Walker and that sort of area, just not quite there. But other than that, like pretty firm. And the heifer market, I think, very similar. Crossbred job might have been just a little bit off the ball, but the black's sort of fully firm on last fortnight, I think. So.
Holstein I had. Holstein at 16 all over, 1600, 25. 1650, 1675, 16, that's right on the gate, 1675, 1675, yes! 1700, 1700, yeah. 25, 1725, 17, take a little one if you like, 1725, that's 1725, done there!
But in the breakdown, we saw the older bullocky sort of steers make between 2300 and 2600. Your Angus steers, 12 to 18 months, as I said, look, they sold from 2300 to top of 2490. They were pretty solid. Your crossbred steers, the 12, 15 month old crossy steers, sort of that 1900 to 2225. Your steer weaners, look, there wasn't really a big run of steer weaners today, only a handful there really. 1650 to a top of 2100 there for some blacks. In your heifer weaners, they sold from sort of 1700 to a top of 2200, and then just a handful of cows and calves, sort of 3000 to 36.
3,000. I've got two, have I? 19. 19, 25, 1950, 1975, 2,000, 2,000, right away, 2,000, take the ones to be like 210, 2010 and you're out below, sir. 2010, done, quick, one of the bits in the white hat,
But look, all in all, pretty solid right through. As I said, there was a few cattle that didn't get there. They'll be here in a fortnight. I would think we'll yard sort of 500 to 600 here in a fortnight again. And then next month, on the 11th of February, we've got our annual summer female sale. It's on a Friday sale. Look, we're going to yard sort of 900 to 1,000 cattle at this stage. Could be more, but very good run of cows and calves, preg test and unjoined heifers for that sale. So that'll be here on the 11th of February, and we hope to see you there. Thank you.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?